Hi and welcome back. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add HTML code to your website. So first of all, if you're new here and you find the information helpful, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to find out about further helpful videos on building websites for beginners, then please subscribe to the channel, and then you'll find out when the videos have been uploaded. So what I've done is I've just added this page to the resources, which is best HTML editor for beginners. And if we scroll down, basically what I've added is these examples, and these are what I've used in the past if I've needed to add HTML code into the website. And these just make it a lot easier for you to do. So what I'll do, I'll show you a couple of examples I've used, and then also what I've done as well is I've added this bit of HTML code in at the bottom to show you exactly how this works. So first of all, what we need to do is add an HTML code. So you'll log into your account, and what you'll need to do is come up to content, and then as you know, we've got all these different content blocks that we can add, and we don't have to do any coding at all. But sometimes, like I say, you might just want to add a bit of HTML code in, and this is the way to do it. So what we would do is click on apps and then add HTML. And that adds this bit of code here, or where you add your code here, and then you can continue. Now, to actually put the code in here, what you'll need to do obviously is add the code to start with. So on the example that I've shown you just here, just go back, just scroll down. So this is the actual HTML code. Now what you'll need to do is actually make the HTML code up so you can actually load it into that block. So from the example, the first one that I used was this one here, which is the HTML editor one. So if I click on that, and that's this one here. Now, as you can see, what I did was I just wrote in here what I wanted to say, and then it actually adds the code up here for you. Now, also, if I was to just add this, there wouldn't be any bouncing text. So what you need to do is obviously find the code for the bouncing text. So what I did was I went over to this website here again, which is linked, and I'll leave all the links in the description so you can find these pages. And as you can see, there's quite a different scrolling text, scrolling images, bouncing text. This is the one that I used. So all I did was just copy this, and then what I did was I went back over to where the editor was, and what you can do is if you actually add that in there, that's this bit here, which is the bouncing text. Now that's what this is here. So what I did was just copy that, and then I just added it in there like that. Sorry, from there. And if I paste that in there, that's added the code in, and what I'll do is just get rid of that now. And then this is the actual coding. So you can write in here anything you want. So you can write, what you need. And then, like I say, what it does is it then puts the code in the actual block. So if we copy that, and then we go back over to the editor, this is where the code was, and I paste that in there and continue. And then what that does is that uploads the HTML code to the website. Now, as you can see, it's actually loaded it at the top of the page, which is here. So as you can see it's working. Obviously, we'd have it down at the bottom of the page, and to do that, if I just quickly show you how to do that, if you click on there, and then click on the down button. It then takes it down the page to the bottom. So in this case it's not actually doing it, so just to make this easy, if I just drop that up there, click on this one here, move the block up, and then this is the one, move that one up as well. Again, as you can see with the editing tool, it's quite simple to do. And this is the new block. This is the one I added earlier, and this is the new block. And as you can see it actually working. And that's basically how you add a bit of HTML code in. And what I'll do is later on I'll just add a few more examples down here, and I'll add the actual video on this page as well, so you'll be able to watch the video and then actually see it working below. Now, if you're a new customer and you've not got hosting with me in the editing tool, what I can do is I'll leave you a link in the description, and I'll just show you this page. If we go over to this page here, and again, like I say, I'll leave you a link in the description, and what you can do is you can actually try out the free website building tool. And what I'll do, I'll just quickly show you how to use that. What it'll do, it'll log you into here, and what you need to do is just go to Site Builder and then click on Site Builder Demo. There is actual videos on the channel that show you how to do this. We'll just click on there, and this is the free demo tool that you can use. So you'll get a welcome guide and you'll get all the videos you can watch. But also, if we go to content again, we'll scroll down here, click on apps. This is the one you need. Click on there, do a right click, and we'll do a paste. That's all the code gone in there. Click on continue, and there you go. And this is in the demo, so you can actually come over to the demo and you can build yourself a website. It is in a demo version, so obviously play around, build your website. This is what most of our customers did to start with, and then if they like the actual software, then they obviously take hosting with me as well. This doesn't stay up here. As soon as you log out, then you'll lose all your information. But like I say, if you want to start and build a website with me, then you can go here. Anyway, I just thought I'd just add that on to the end of the video, so you've got a way to do it if you're a customer, and a way to do it if you're not a customer. So anyway, like I say, I'll leave all the links in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.